First thing you need to do is, if you want to connect your earbuds to the PC, is push down on both earbuds while they are in the case to put them into pairing mode. If you tried and then nothing's happening, just lift your hand and then try it again, and then boom, you should be able to see that. And once you see that blinking, that means the earbuds are now in pairing mode, and you should get this popping on your PC. And literally all you have to do is hit connect, and then boom, that means it's connecting. Wait for it. We found okay, yes, connect. Oh, because they're also connected to my phone, but it should still work. Yes, there we go, now it worked. So that means your earbuds are ready to be used with your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Well, let me show you guys another way to do it. If that did not work for you, I just thought of that other people, it might not work. If that doesn't work for you, what you need to do is go to your PC search, and then search for Bluetooth. And then once you get to the Bluetooth and devices, what you need to do is add new device. Once you hit that, you're going to hit Bluetooth again, and then make sure that you put the earbuds into pairing mode, following the same steps where you just push down on them, put them into pairing mode, and then you should have your earbuds be one of the options to add. And then once you add them, it should be right within your Bluetooth devices, and it should say connected, or it should show you the power. And if I close my earbuds right now, they're open. If I close them, it will get disconnected. You see, not connected. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel.